Thank you guys for the meeting. This was fun.
Thank you. We are clear?
Yes, we do.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Tonga soa melbourne Australia. Andray nanarako. Androany dia faly mampafantatra anareo mikasika ny Bayside Education. Izay ilakotsiny sahady amin'ny findramana teny vahiny mandritra ny fahalalorana. Bayside Education dia ahitana ny E2 campus, Bayside English, Danford College and Danford Higher Education. Toy izao momba ny E2 campus. Raha ohatra ianao ka manana fanariana handeha amin'ny firenena mampiasa teny anglisy, dia afaka manampy anao amin'izany E2 campus. E2 campus dia mampanao fanofanana teny anglisy ho amin'ny fanomanana IELTS General, IELTS Academic, PT Academic, OET Nurses, TOEFL, ASALPIP, izay tena ilaina tokoa amin'ny fikarakarana visa. Ireto avy no hitanao ao amin'ny E2. Indro Natasha nazava-tsika bebe kokoa mikasika ny E2 campus.
Hi, I'm Natasha. Today I'd like to talk to you about a new partnership opportunity. We call it E2 Campus. E2 Campus is an innovative and new teaching and learning program that blends expert English language teaching combined with advanced online curriculum that includes interactive lessons and practice activities and platform technologies that provide a cohesive learning environment. E2 Campus is delivered in collaboration with E2 Campus partner schools. Student success is accelerated when E2 Campus partners support the program with classroom-based teaching and activity-centered group learning. Who is E2 Campus? E2 Campus is a joint venture between the E2 Group and Bayside English. E2 is one of the world's largest online English language test preparation providers, specializing in IELTS, PTE, TOEFL, and OET test preparation. Bayside English is one of Australia's premier English language schools. Students from all over the world attend Bayside campuses in Melbourne, Australia. Together, E2 and Bayside have developed an innovative and proven educational model for English language learning. Teaching and learning innovation. EdTech is changing the way teachers teach and students learn. E2 Campus uses its purpose-built technology platform to deliver an advanced hybrid teaching and learning model. The benefits of E2 Campus include increasing the quality of teaching by using subject matter experts and specialists that can be broadcast into a classroom from anywhere in the world, supporting learning with highly designed, interactive and multi-sensory learning activities and content, enhancing the social aspects of language learning with skills-based workshops and activities, using formative assessment techniques that better measure student progress. What is E2 Campus? E2's virtual language school platform coordinates all the core teaching and learning functions that occur in the classroom. These include online expert teacher class time scheduling, student task allocation and study pathway, digital curriculum and course material library, interactive online homework, practice and mock tests, teaching grading rubrics, video and resource libraries. All of this is delivered right into our partner schools' classrooms. For the in-class component, our partner school teachers take over to deliver the curriculum modules that are best taught face-to-face. A major focus of the in-class work are skills-based workshops facilitated by on-campus teachers. Teachers are provided with workshop lesson plans and activities that align with the curriculum and digital online resources. Flexible curriculum and lesson design. E2 Campus teaching, content, and supporting resources can be tailored and customized to fit different delivery contexts. The partner school value proposition. As an E2 Campus partner, we will white label the platform technologies with your school logo and branding. We will provide you with marketing support to help you promote your competitive advantage. E2 Campus will help you improve student outcomes and success to boost your school's reputation. E2 Campus unlocks several new commercial possibilities to help you generate new revenue opportunities and streams. If you'd like to know more about E2 Campus, feel free to reach out for more information. Thank you.
Misaotra ny Natasha. Raha toa kosa ianao ka te-hianatra fiteny anglisy aty Aostralia avy hatrany, dia afaka manampy anao ihany koa ny Bayside English. Eto Melbourne no misy azy. Mananatra efa ambony indrindra eto Melbourne amin'ny fampianarana teny anglisy Bayside English, izay efa niorina nandritra ny 17 taona. Ireto avy ny cours hitanao amin'ny Bayside English: General English, IELTS Exam Preparation, Cambridge First Certificate English Exam Preparation, Cambridge Advanced Certificate in English Exam Preparation. Nampifanatana firenena maro maneran-tany Bayside English amin'ny alalan'ny teny anglisy. Jareo anketo video manaraka ity e.
My name is Pedro and I'm from Brazil.
Bayside for me is meeting new friends from different backgrounds.
My name is Fern and I come from Laos.
Bayside means career opportunities once I return home.
I'm Steven, I'm from Colombia.
Bayside for me is friendly as a teacher.
My name is Rui and I'm from China.
Bayside means discover a new country.
I'm Juan Pablo and I come from Mexico.
Bayside means learn about new cultures.
Rehefa vita fianarana teny anglisy ao amin'ny Bayside English, dia afaka manohy fianarana avy hatrany ianao atao amin'ny Danford College. Danford College dia université mampanao fanofanana azona certificate 3, certificate 4, diplôma, advanced diplôma, graduate certificate ary graduate diplôma ao anatin'ny 2 hatramin'ny 3 taona. Ireto avy ny karazana filière misy ao amin'ny Danford College: Banking Services, Leadership and Management, Project and Program Management, Building Construction, Civil Design Construction, Information Technology, Interior Design, Practice Management, Travel and Tourism, Strategic Procurement and Management. Tsy voatery avy navita fianarana avy ao amin'ny Bayside English ihany anefa ianao vao afaka manohy fianarana atao amin'ny Danford College. Fa raha toa ianao ka efa nanao fanadinana IELTS, na TOEFL, na PTE, dia afaka miditra avy hatrany atao amin'ny Danford College. No ne hojerentsika ity video manaraka ity ahafantarantsika bebe kokoa mikasika ny Danford College.
Welcome to Danford College, where our high standards are our strength. Located in Melbourne, one of the best cities in the world. We shape a generation with the belief that every student can achieve what they believe.
We believe in our students and in their life goals. For them to make a positive impact, it is important they understand the world we live in. Education and knowledge are crucial in shaping that perception.
A Danford College nationally accredited qualification is your pathway to excellence, with diploma, advanced diploma and postgraduate diploma in the career path of your choosing. A world of opportunity awaits.
In Danford College, we provide qualifications aligned to the jobs that are most in demand across a wide range of industry sectors, while also equipping students with skills and knowledge to help them adapt to changes in the employment market.
Danford's vibrant, genuine multicultural mix makes us a fun place to study in Melbourne. We love welcoming students from around the globe and want to help you find your pathway to excellence.
Studying in a foreign country really brings the students out of their comfort zone. So as a college, we endeavour to provide a positive and helpful environment where the students can interact with people from all around the world.
Wherever you come from, Danford College is the right place for you. Join us and enroll today for an exciting entry into your new future.
Horesantsika fa mahakasika ny Danford Higher Education. Danford Higher Education dia manana fiofanana mandritra ny 3 taona momba ny Bachelor of Business Digital Marketing, sy Bachelor of Business Accounting. Ho afitoela ihany koa ny Bachelor of Information Technology, Master of Information Technology, and Master of Business by Research. Mariana etona fa mpampianatra ato amin'ny Danford Higher Education, Danford College, and Bayside English dia mpampianatra manana traikefa ambony afaka hanofananao tsara ho lasa matianina ka hanamora ny fahitanao asa n'aiza n'aiza firenena lehanao. Video manaraka ity dia hampafantatra antsika bebe kokoa mikasika ny Danford Higher Education. Jereo.
Welcome to Danford Higher Education, where exploration, discovery and leadership shape the future. We are thrilled to have you join our community and embark on a journey together as we explore, discover and lead.
Welcome to Danford Higher Education. At DHE, we believe in the power of asking why. By exploring the depths of our curiosity, we open the doors to endless possibilities. This value drives our commitment to becoming independent learners in a diverse, changing and uncertain world.
In our small classes, we foster an environment that encourages open-mindedness, collaboration and innovation.
At Danford Higher Education, we believe that the journey of discovery is a balance between exploring oneself and embracing the vastness of the world around us. By cultivating a deep sense of self-awareness, we gain the ability to unravel our own strengths and weaknesses.
We at Danford Higher Education aim to create leaders for a new generation. We hope to inspire our students to reach the best of their ability and become leaders in their respective fields.
So, enrol now at Danford Higher Education, and together we will explore, discover and lead.
E2 Campus, Bayside English, Danford College, Danford Higher Education dia université ankasitrahan'ny fanjakana Australiana. Kuratoary ianao te hanatra fiteny anglisy amin'ny fampianarana Australiana any Madagascar, na koa te hanao fiofanana sy fanadinana IELTS, PTE, OET, TOEFL na SALP dia aza misalasala manantona ny E2 Campus Madagascar. Raha toa kosa ianao manana nofinofy nianatra aty Australia dia misokatra ho anao mpitiavana be Bayside English, Danford College and Danford Higher Education. Ireo avy ny kontakta ahafahanao misoratra anarana na magataka fanazavana fanampiny. Mandra-pianatra!